It is, I've got a little nice little jelly, tang, texture change, flavour change. Put it in, I'm chewing, now I've got an ear. I've got an ear, great. Now it's all singing. Hello everyone and welcome back to a very late episode of Meal Deal Madness. Now before we start this food review, we've got a sponsor. Get up there, Nova Insurance logo down there. We're going to put a link to their website in the comments below. Nova, a major sponsor of our page, so a big bless up to them. If you guys need any insurance requirements, hit them up. Business, personal, you name it, they do it. Right now I'm at M&S, the higher end of the meal deal spectrum. Price on this was $4.95. So straight away, I'm agitated. Tesco's and Morrison's, £3. We're already at £1.95 more. Let's do a show and tell and see what I got. Okay, so sandwich front today. I want you guys to get in the comments now. Like, this is an interactive review. We all love a meal deal. I'm trying to find out who does the best meal deals around the UK. This is really highbrow, exclusive content. Here we go. Honey roast ham and cheddar cheese.
Good choice.
Thank you, Jessica. Good choice. But I'm interested to know if this sandwich tastes way better than what you're going to get from the likes of Morrison's and Tesco's, because I wasn't blown away by their sandwich. That ham looks like it's semi-green, by the way. You see that? I don't know if it is or not. I'll still eat it because I'm a man's a professional. Right, there's that. Crisps. You wait and see this. Ready? Sometimes quite an aggressive flavour. However, I think this could potentially be a favourite of the nation. Get your words out, mate. Prawn cocktail for me are up there. However, sometimes quite aggressive. Drink. Now I've got a new drink for the page. Ready? Drink. Watch. Fanta zero sugar raspberry.
I thought you would have got a coconut.
Do they sell coconuts?
They sell coconut.
What, like live coconut, like a real coconut?
A real coconut in the meal deal.
Are you joking me?
No.
Shall I walk and get one quickly? Should we go and get one?
Cool then.
Huh? Should we leave this on here and go and get a coconut? I need to mask up then, don't I? Look, I like coconut water. Damn it! Do you know what? I got so distracted by the little extras they do, little flapjacks and whatnot for your side instead of your crisps. Selection wise, we're going to talk about that. Not bad in M&S, considering this is a garage. But they still have all the basics. So yeah, there's that. And I also got, I had to get some Percy Pigs. Do you even go into M&S if you don't walk out with some of these? Just for the record, he's got Percy Pigs and pals. They got reversey Percy's. They have got reversey Percy's. They've also got,
what's a reversey Percy?
The other way around. So the red bit is there and the other bit is there. Also, they've got pigtails. I shit you not, Percy Pig is upgraded and also got a nice wild bean cafe bag. Right, let's get on with the food, shall we? How long into the review? We haven't actually eaten anything yet?
3.5 minutes.
3.5 minutes, no food was consumed. Right, honey roast ham and cheddar, let's go. Is the light okay?
Yeah, it's alright.
We should have gone under the forecourt, but Jess said, no, you're not allowed to be on your phone. Right, here we go. First impressions, if you remember rightly, both my sandwiches from Tesco's and Morrison's were deformed bread. I would like this to be stated on camera. Perfect. Look at that. No soggy bottom. Mary Berry, you okay? Look at that, look. Perfect distribution of contents. What are we like on the flavour front? Straight away, I know I'm in a different league to what I've had already. That is a classic sandwich. The mature cheddar has got a really strong flavour to it. It does what it says. Nothing worse than getting a plasticky, rubbery cheese. I want my mature cheddar. The ham, despite its appearance, is actually pretty delicious. I even think I've got a light glaze of mayo going on there too. And the bread, leagues ahead of what I had so far.
And it's like 6 o'clock as well, so they would have been out all day.
You heard the man. What a tractor watch! Whoa! That was a... Hello mate, that looked like a John... You alright? Yeah, crack on mate, yeah. Did you see that tractor? That was a big one. It looked like a John Deere with tracks. It'd do some serious ploughing. Oh, hey! Sensational John Deere that was. Right, like my beautiful wife said, that has been in the pack all day as well. It's 6:10 and it still tasted on point. Bravo. M&S, knocking out the good stuff. Walkers, tag you as well. Get in touch if you want to work with us. Prawn cocktail. Do international viewers know about a prawn cocktail crisp? Do you think?
Yeah. It would be like shrimp cocktail.
Here we go, look. That's the prawn cocktail. There's a fistful of prawn cocktails. Now, let's dive into a prawn cocktail quickly. Walkers have just got the crunch down. As a crisp, it's the highest... Excuse me. It's the highest caliber. It's ridiculous. And with a prawn cocktail, yeah, punchy flavour. A little bit of a kick to it. It is outrageous. And even better, even better with your sandwich. Now, let's wrap this up. M&S, you're doing great so far. Obviously, a lot of this is down to the sandwich. Also, I'll take value for money into consideration. £1.95 this was. More than what I've had already. Right, Fanta. Fanta raspberry, no sugar, let's go. Made with fruit juice. That tastes all right, to be fair. You'd be pretty stuffed to know if that actually had sugar in it or not. For a no sugar option, like it. Now, whilst we contemplate our score, I'm gonna have a Percy Pig. We chuffing love a Percy Pig. Again, international viewers, try and get on Amazon. Do you want one, Jess?
Yeah.
There you go. Come on.
Go on, try and explain what they are.
These are little pig faces, unique to M&S. It's like a marshmallowy, red berry type flavour to it. Is that right? Mm-hmm. Made with real fruit juice. And then the ears, I've got a little nice little jelly, tang, texture change, flavour change. Put it in, I'm chewing, and I've got an ear. I've got an ear, great. Now it's all singing.
Reversey Percy's make sense now.
Reversey Percy's the other way around. Okay, Percy Pigs. Get in the comments, guys. Who loves a Percy Pig? Oh, I do. Right, M&S. Here you go, Jess. I've got a secret love for M&S. When we were on Christmas shopping, I know we're getting flashed now. We came to M&S, no queues. It's like the one that goes under the radar. It's always good quality. The staff are always nicely trained. For a coffee in the morning, Wild Bean Cafe, they're decent as well, to be fair. Great pastry selection. I'm a food reviewer. The pain au chocolat, on point, especially with a coffee. I think they do deals on them as well. Right, my meal deal today, I think that is leagues better than what I've had already. Certainly for the sandwich. Value for money, Tesco's. So I've got some big high price items. Here though, for quality, leagues ahead. I'm gonna give it an 8.5 for meal deal, not just for a sandwich, just for a meal deal, and the meal deal game, that's going to take some beating. Please get in the comments now and let me know where you think could beat M&S on the meal deal front. Thanks for watching, and that was a review.